This is my robot FREDD and my cat Scotty. Yes, he's named after Scotty the engineer. FREDD is an autonomous robot that I built using Raspberry Pi and Arduino. He's all 3D printed. You can see these parts. These are all 3D printed. I designed all these myself in 123D. It's not pro software, but I can learn anything. I've used Blender in the past, Milkshape, all that kind of stuff. So I made all this, 3D printed it. All of the parts are engineered by me. All of the internal components are wired and soldered by me. I wrote all the software that runs the robot. And what I'm showing you this for, the reason I think this is relevant is you mentioned you wanted someone who knew C#. His entire operating system is written in C# on a Windows Universal application that runs on this computer here. Now this is a monitor on a Raspberry Pi. This I guess we could consider interface design. I've got a few options. I can turn his battery on, see the power. I can turn it this way and power in by the battery, or this way and power in by the wall plug. I'm going to turn the robot on now. He's going to boot up. While he does that, I'm going to turn on his sound and his wheel motors. Now he's finally booted up here. He's got this little interface running here. It's kind of a command prompt style interface. But this is actually the same rendering engine that I used to show you the cellular automata program earlier in the Pong program. You see I can open the same console. It's the same program. It's just running on the robot with a different program running inside of it. So I'm going to show a couple of his functions here just because it's fun to do. So I'm driving him with this wireless keyboard, but he's also got some autonomous function. He can follow my face, like he's looking at me now. It's hard to have, yes, see, he's looking at me as I hold the phone to the side of my face. That's autonomous, and he's got wheel motors so he can drive. He's pretty quick. And he can speak.
Live long and prosper. Okay.
What day is it?
Today is Monday, 3/19/2018.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Identify yourself.
My name is FREDD. I am a third-generation FREDD free-roaming electronic domestic droid. I am a prototype robot designed by Henry Pomper.
Goodbye, Freddy.
Goodbye, human. Live long and prosper.
Together, starting to look like the robot's supposed to. Got to print some innards. Got one going right now. Brackets for the electronics that are going inside it. Just some lighting and things, but decent size, nice looking print. Eyes look good. Look great when it's lit.